2Z coin, also known as 00, is waking up in a way that has started grabbing serious attention across the market, climbing to around 14 cents and delivering a sharp 20% pump in the last 24 hours. It's not the kind of explosive one-candle breakout that disappears overnight. This looks like a controlled, steady build of momentum, the kind of climb that signals accumulation is happening behind the scenes. Traders are starting to notice that 00 is moving differently from the rest of the market, holding its trend even while bigger caps are showing weakness. This sudden jump in price lines up with growing chatter about how 2Z is positioning itself inside the microcap narrative, especially with more investors searching for low supply, low-cap projects that can still deliver meaningful upside in a cooling market environment. 00's name keeps surfacing on social platforms where people are discussing undervalued sleepers and next breakout small caps. And that kind of buzz is exactly what helps coins build sustained momentum. Once the conversation starts, liquidity begins flowing in, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now. Over the last day, trading volume has noticeably increased, and the price action shows confidence. Clean upward candles, quick recoveries on dips, and a chart that's slowly but consistently climbing. This usually reflects a mix of short-term traders jumping in for quick profits and early believers doubling down now that the trend is finally shifting upward. It's the kind of structure that often appears just before a bigger breakout, especially if the project continues to gain visibility. A few small but meaningful updates behind the scenes are also helping the sentiment. There's been renewed interest in 00's ecosystem rollout, especially with speculation around new partnerships, liquidity injections, and upcoming technical improvements tied to how the token will be used inside its network. Even though none of these updates are massive headline events by themselves, together they create a strong sense that the project isn't asleep, it's building, evolving, and preparing for a more aggressive market phase. The broader market environment is also playing a role. With Bitcoin moving sideways and many midcaps cooling off, traders are rotating heavily into microcaps to catch faster, more explosive moves. When that rotation starts, coins like 2Z benefit the most because they have enough liquidity to move cleanly but still small enough market caps to deliver oversized returns on even moderate buying pressure. That's exactly the formula driving this current move to 14 cents.